Hi, welcome to Ener-G Machinery. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of our Bridgeport EZTrak 2 3-axis CNC vertical mill. The serial number on this machine is 8612E and it's a 1999 machine. It's equipped with a Bridgeport BPC2M CNC control. It has a remote start and stop control switch, an RS-232 port, an automatic lube system, a Kurt power drawbar, and chrome ways. The table size on this machine is 11 by 58 inches, and the machine weighs approximately 4,700 pounds. The spindle nose is a NMTB 30 taper. We have some tools to show you what fits in there. And the maximum table load on this machine is 600 pounds. The machine is variable voltage, 220, 440, and right now it is set up for, I believe, 460. So now we'll just give a quick demonstration of the spindle running. We're going to start in high gear. Now we're going to switch over to low gear. Now we'll jog the axes for you. We're going to start with the X. And we'll do the Y. Now we'll do the Z. And now we'll give a quick demonstration of the Kurt power drawbar. We'll just take a walk around the machine and go to the back cabinet. This machine is also equipped with a power pneumatic assist on the knee travel, and that is our Bridgeport EZTrak 2 machine. Feel free to contact us with any other questions. Thanks for watching.